So what should we do? What should we look at? What do you think? I can't tell you everything, peoples. What do you think? What is interesting about this data set? We were talking about age, right? What about, should we do a regression? Potentially? So what are we going to compare? What are their two x, y values? Well, I saw the grades, but I say we go for age, right? Because that's more of a concrete biological phenomenon. Somebody they can be different ages in the same grade. We're thinking that it's the age that's more important, right? So let's try that. That if you had a kid who was, say, 16 in ninth grade who might be able to pick up the rock, he would be more accurate. And it would kind of make the ninth grade look more accurate than maybe it truly is. So let's do that. Okay, let's go age. And then we're going to go predicted actual. So select column E, hold on your command, and then hit this one. Everybody with me? Go to charts. We want a scatter plot. And let's just go mark scatter. Interesting. We could. Well, in this instance, I wanted to know if maybe being older would make them underestimate it. There is totally an age effect here. Look at this. Let's do the regression, see what happens. Okay, so we're going to select on some of this data. Remember, it's going to select some of those data points. Now let's add trend line. Linear. Options. Let's show display equation on chart, and then we'll display R value. Hit OK. Yes, there's definitely a trend with the age. And when we use the jump software, you're going to see this a lot better. But you can kind of look at this. If you look at this, it almost looks like a cone going to the exact weight of the rock. Here's what's going to be interesting is seeing, okay, all these people that underestimated, did they actually touch the rock, right? That's another thing I would like to look at, is that we can kind of divide these up. Let me get this out of here. Oops. It's not going. There we go. Well, let's take a look at some of these. Let's go to, again, the predicted actual. Let's sort this. Let's see who's the most accurate. Oh, actually, we should do, yeah, absolute. Let's go descending. Oh, wait, ascending, I'm sorry. All right, let's take a kind of look at some of these. How are the ages? Yeah, definitely top heavy for sure. And we could also, so here's what we could potentially do is, okay, let's say if you got within 10 pounds of the rock, that's pretty dang accurate. So what we could do, I'm thinking about Dr. M, I'm thinking about trying to do a binomial. So here's what I'm thinking. Does it look like the males, there's a lot more males than females? Not really. Here, let's take a look at that. So here's what I want to do. Let's color code the gender.